Where can I get products to sell on Takealot? Now, this was one of the most asked questions on our last video on how to sell products on Takealot. Let's talk about it. When it comes to getting products to sell on your online store or on Takealot, there's two ways you can go about sourcing those products. And number one is to use an international supplier like your Alibaba and your AliExpress, which I'm not a fan of, especially if you're starting out, you want to save as much money as possible. And also the most important part is to get your products in time. You don't want to deal with the stress of waiting for scarcity for my product, especially on your first business days. You want to make a long-lasting impression. Now, the second option is what I want us to talk about today, which is using a local supplier to source products that you're going to sell on Takealot or on your online store. What I love about this option is it's much cheaper and you get your products in time. Now, the big question is, where do you get these local suppliers? Check the description of this video. I've linked all the companies that are selling products that are ready to be resold. You'll do everything online. You have to register. And please, if you'd like me to do a video where I go through all the platforms of these companies, how to register, how to look at the products and all that, please leave a comment and I'll know that I need to do that video. Hope you got a lot of value on this video. Please make sure to follow so that you don't miss the next video, where I'm going to be showing you 4 things that you need to pay attention to before you buy from these companies.